Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. In this video, instead of a feature demonstration, we will be discussing our recent Fidelity product line releases to be sure all of our users are aware of recent changes to product names and versions. The Cadence Fidelity product line is made up of two components, Fidelity Pointwise and Fidelity CFD. Fidelity Pointwise was formerly known as Pointwise, and Fidelity CFD was formerly known as Omnis. Fidelity Pointwise is our standalone CFD mesh generator, providing a full range of functionality from geometry model prep to a variety of mesh generation techniques and export compatibility to a broad range of flow solvers. With our latest release at the end of May 2022, the version numbering updated to simply the year appended by the sequential release number for the calendar year. The current release version then is 2022.1, being the first primary release of this year. Otherwise, Fidelity Pointwise has all the meshing features you know with a few additions for this latest release. These new additions will be highlighted in upcoming editions of the Tutorial Tuesday. Fidelity CFD is our end-to-end solution for all CFD-related applications. It can solve each step of the simulation process quickly and efficiently, with a focus on ease of use with an intuitive and application-driven interface. With our latest release, Fidelity CFD has also adopted the same version numbering scheme as Fidelity Pointwise, so this latest release is also version 2022.1. This release also includes some user interface updates, some of which are already highlighted in recent releases of the Tutorial Tuesday videos. Please check our YouTube channel. Finally, a quick note for those of you who may be new to downloading our software from Cadence Online Support. We are providing an additional link in the description below to another video that can help you establish credentials on the support portal. Additional upcoming editions of the Tutorial Tuesday will highlight some tips for using Cadence Online Support for downloads and installations. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, drop us a line down below or connect with us via LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.